Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are starting with a new lesson, some applications of trigonometry. Let's take the first question from this exercise 9.1. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground is 30 degrees. They've already given the diagram, so let's draw that diagram once again for our reference. It's a right angled triangle marked here as A, B, and C, where B is going to carry the 90 degrees. The rope is 20 meters. The angle it makes with the ground is 30 degrees. And we're expected to find out the height of the pole, so which is AB. Now, what is sine 30 by definition? So, sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So, in this diagram, our opposite side is AB by hypotenuse AC. Now, what is sine 30? Sine 30 is actually 1 by 2. So, let's substitute the value of AC. So, 1 by 2 is equal to AB is the unknown quantity by AC is 20. So let's cross multiply here. So 2AB is equal to 20, which means AB is equal to 10 meters. Please write down the answer. Height of the pole is equal to 10 meters. The height of the pole is equal to 10 meters. In the next video, we will see how to solve the second question in exercise 9.1. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.